In this video, we're going to describe the process for getting started using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2015. This here is the new home screen for Autodesk Inventor. What this allows you to do is quickly bring up any of the files that you've recently used, select the project that you have, or start a new part, assembly, or drawing. It's important to note that the part, assembly, and drawing that are in use for this particular example are based off of the default installation for the units. So in this case, the default installation for me was using Imperial units. So if I hover over part, it says in the little pop-up window that the units is inch. If I hover over assembly, it says that it's inch, and if I hover over drawing, again, it's inch. So I can't use this to start a metric file. In fact, even if I go to more templates, I still have standard, which is inch, sheet metal, which is inch. All of these are in inches. So the home screen isn't going to be very useful for starting files that are needing to be done in metric form. Therefore, it's very important that we always look at the assignment. For example, in this case, the example I'm going to use is exercise 1-1. So when I come in here to P1-1, I can see that this is in inches. So I would be able to come back in here into Inventor and just click on part to get started with that particular piece. But if I look at another assignment, we've got inches for P1-2, inches for P1-3, and inches for P1-4. So in the case of all four of these assignments, we can use that default tab. But if you did have a metric file, the easiest thing to do would be to just come up here to New, and then select Metric, and then Standard Millimeter IPT. Once you actually choose it, you're not going to see a whole lot of differences between some of the older versions in Inventor and this version. And if this is the first version of Inventor you've used, it should look pretty easy to follow. The tutorial videos that go with each assignment discuss in detail which buttons to click and where to click and everything else. So the real purpose of this video is just to get you to this point where you can get started using the software.